TrackStar Credit Repair Full Review. Features, strengths, weaknesses. Links to TrackStar and related credit repair resources are included in the description below. TrackStar Credit Repair is an innovative credit repair platform designed for individuals who want to take control of their credit and fix issues on their own terms. TrackStar offers a user-friendly, self-guided approach, making it ideal for those who prefer a more hands-on method rather than hiring an agency. The standout feature of TrackStar is its intuitive dashboard, which allows users to track their credit repair progress in real time. It automatically pulls data from all three major credit bureaus, Experian, Equifax, and TransUnion, so you can easily monitor your credit score and see what changes have been made throughout the process. One of the key strengths of TrackStar is its dispute management system, which is highly automated. The platform helps you identify errors, generate dispute letters, and send them directly to the credit bureaus, all with just a few clicks. This makes the process much more efficient compared to manual methods, saving you time and effort. Additionally, TrackStar provides educational resources to help users understand the credit repair process better, including guides on improving credit scores and tips for managing debt. While TrackStar is perfect for DIY credit repair enthusiasts, it may not be the best option for those seeking a fully hands-off, professional service. The platform is designed for individuals who are comfortable navigating the credit repair process on their own, so users who need more personalized support or in-depth consultation might find it lacking. Another downside is that TrackStar doesn't provide the same level of support as higher-priced services, which can be a drawback for people dealing with more complex credit issues like collections or bankruptcies. Overall, TrackStar is an excellent tool for users looking for an affordable, self-paced approach to repairing their credit. If you're looking for a comprehensive credit repair solution with a simple interface and automated tools, TrackStar is worth considering. Be sure to check the description for links to TrackStar and start repairing your credit today.